Welcome back to another Blender video. We're gonna see how we can adjust map tiling within Blender. So I have over here a plane. I added a texture, which is a seamless tile texture, and we can control the scaling using the mapping over here. As we can see, if I'm gonna set the scale on the X and Y to 5, we're gonna have the following texture. And if I will go even further, we're gonna see how those tiles will be smaller. Now, in order to set this up, I'm just going to create a new plane. So I'm going to go over here, define a new plane. I will translate this to the side. And afterwards, when we want to apply the texture, I will also enable viewport shading. I will go over here within the shading workbench at the top. I will create a new material. I will drag and drop the preloaded texture over here. I will link this to the base color, and now we need the mapping. So I'm going to search over here, go for search. We need a vector mapping, which I will position over here. And we're also going to need the texture coordinate. So type in texture coordinate. And we have to link the UV to the top vector over here. And afterward, the mapping vector to the vector on the image. Now, if I will press period to zoom in on the newly defined plane, we're gonna see how we have this set up, and we can control, for example, the scale, X and Y axis, and we're gonna have that material tiled. So I hope that you find this video useful. I will position a similar Blender video over here on the bottom and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.